Michael Rony Mullick. Today's market, it was a consolidating market, but things did not open so well. Markets had fallen in the first half, or I should say in the beginning itself, and then it steadily tried to move up and consolidated within a small range. But what was surprising were the intraday spikes that happened, and also it was a consolidating day. And in days like this, the VIX shouldn't move up, but the VIX kept on moving higher and ended about 5% higher. So that was basically the highlight of the day, along with HDFC Bank results coming out. So that came out well, and net profits has risen by 50%, and obviously it is not unexpected because of the merger between HDFC and HDFC Bank. So that was there. It was expected around 45% rise. It came out around 50%. So a decent, I would say, the results came out in HDFC Bank, and let's see how the bank Nifty reacts tomorrow. And tomorrow being the Fin Nifty expiry, on top of that we have the Bajaj Finance results. So that is going to be an interesting day to see how the Fin Nifty movements happen tomorrow. So do expect more such spikes and such things happening since the corporate result season is continuing. So this is kind of expected. So with that in mind, let's start the analysis. And Nifty, you can see it's down by 0.1%, nothing significant as such. 9731, that is the support level or resistance level, an important level that we had marked, again got respected. Markets closed exactly around that level. Coming to back Nifty, same things happened, just slightly down than Nifty, 0.14% down. Around 44,225 is the level for back Nifty, and you can see it has been consolidating for weeks now in this region between 44,000 and 45,000. So that is the situation. But if you look at the broader markets, I mean the mid caps and small caps, they had a decent day, 0.2% up mid caps, small caps up by 0.32%. They did not face any heat whatsoever. It was the large caps which moved down. And coming to sectors, it was again a mixed situation with most of the sectors falling, but not much. And even the sectors which has moved up, again they did not move up much. So all between 0 and 1%, all of them. So if you want to talk about some of them, metals again up by 0.91% today, PSU banks up by 0.72%, auto up by 0.45%. And rest, talking about sectors which fell the most, it was pharma falling by 0.46%, and then what else is there? IT falling by 0.18%, FMCG falling by 0.23%. So it's very, very small movements, as you can see. So Nifty's top mover today is on the upside, Axis Bank, Tata Steel, HCL Tech, L&T, JSW Steel, M&M. On the downside, HDFC Bank, which fell by 0.4%, and then TCS, Bharti Airtel, Kotak Bank. So these are the stocks which moved down basically. So that's their FIIs. After buying for just one day, they have again turned net sellers, selling for about 593 crores, but DIIs have bought almost double of what they have sold, buying around 1184 crores by DII. So that is the current situation of FII activity. And going into economic data, we had the Indian wholesale price inflation data coming out today. So that came out at negative 0.26%. That means deflation. So this is what it is, and this is not that important of a data, I would say. And coming to tomorrow's data, let's see if there's anything important. We have the UK's unemployment rate coming out tomorrow, and apart from that, nothing much is there. Yeah. Okay. Now looking into US markets, and let's see how things are. How things are happening over there. Okay, US markets are looking positive. S&P 500 after 2 days of fall, it's above 1% right now, and it's in the green. Dow Jones at 0.95%, Nasdaq 1.18% up. US markets are recovering, and thanks to that, even the European markets are following closely. UK markets are by 0.3%, and in fact, all the European markets, UK, French, and German markets are up by about 0.3%. Asian markets have all fallen, and it is the Japanese index Nikkei falling the most, more than 2% down. And then we have Hong Kong markets 0.97% down, South Korean markets falling by 0.8%, and Chinese markets down by 0.12%. This is the overall scenario right now. Talking about US VIX, after today's up move, US VIX is down almost close to 10%, which is good. And India VIX, like I said in the starting, India VIX is rising. It's up 4.26% at 11.7 today. Crude oil prices have remained around that level which it was after the up move, as you can see, and around $87 is what it is, and it has been volatile between 87 and 85, 87 and $83, and that is the range it's currently trading at. So nothing much has changed from there. Gold prices, after shooting up violently in the last few days, has come down slightly today by 0.58%, and that is fine, I would say. And talk about metals, again, metals did not, there's not much impact in the metals as well. So coming to currency, DXY has fallen by 0.3%. Indian rupee has gained strength against the US dollars, and you can see this trend line, if it is broken, there could be a down move towards 82 $82 rupees per dollar, or maybe 82.5. Let's see how far this continues, so that has to be seen. But Indian rupee did not have that much of a great day against euro and pound, because it depreciated but very slightly against both pound sterling and euro. So this is the situation. Now talking about open interests, Nifty's 19th October OI suggests that a put call ratio is at 0.89. Slight bearishness is there, with 19800 having the highest call options, and on the downside 19700 has the highest amount of put options. So very, very close strike prices, as you can see. Back Nifty also indicates bearishness. Put call ratio is at 0.8. More calls are sold than puts in Back Nifty as well, with 44500 having the highest amount of call options and 44,000 having the highest amount of put options. So that is the current range. And since it's a Fin Nifty expiry tomorrow, so let's look at that as well. So even Fin Nifty has put call ratio at 0.8, indicating bearishness, with the 900 and 20,000 having massive amounts of call options, and on the downside 19700 and 19800 has some decent amount of puts. Now coming to the levels for tomorrow's expiry. So the levels are there. So in between 19816 is there. Up above we definitely look at 19915, because you have seen this has been a very, very important resistance for multiple days, I would say. So that is there, 19950, and then 20,067 on the upside. Downside 19632, definitely watch out for that level as well. But again, a caution, Bajaj Finance results are coming up tomorrow. Do be be cautious, because there can be spikes around the results announcement, and that can trigger stop losses. And I would say that maybe if you choose not to trade, that's fine. If you are trading, then trading with a small quantity would also be a good option, given the results that are coming out. Okay, so that is there for Fin Nifty. Now Nifty, again, the levels, they are basically unchanged. Down below 19656, and then 19731 is in the middle somewhere, and up above 19818, 19870. These are the levels that I'll be watching out. So again, expecting consolidating Nifty as well, but it's good the way it's consolidating. There could be an up move once there's a breakout from these levels, so that is definitely good. And same with Back Nifty as well. It would be volatile, so volatile, the volatility is increasing. VIX is slightly up, so that could be there, but the levels to watch out: 44,500, 44,775 on the upside, downside 44,150, and then 43,740 is a good level, and 44,000, since it's a psychological level, so that can be taken as a support. But more importantly, 43,740 and 44,151, these should suffice, I believe. And given the way US markets are moving with a lot of strength, Gift Nifty already indicating 19,830. So tomorrow could be a bullish day as well. So bullish to consolidating with a bullish bias, that could be very, very much possible. And let's hope that happens. and the corporate results season, since it's going on, let's hope that the results come out good and the markets can move up further. So that would be a very good thing for the markets. So that is all from my side. Thank you for watching and have a very good night.